In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to create a YouTube channel art for your YouTube channel. It's super quick and super easy, and best of all, it won't cost you at all. Hey guys, this is Krishna with PerspecTube, and let's get started. Now let's jump right into the youtube.com and ensure that you are logged in with your account with your Gmail account. If you click on that, it should be redirecting to the YouTube channel page. And on this page, if you hover over your profile picture, then you will see edit your profile picture. Don't worry, we are not going to edit or update your profile picture in this video. If you need that one, I have created a separate video for that one, which I'll put the link in the description box below. Now, clicking on that, it should redirect you to the exact place, the YouTube studio, where you want to upload your YouTube banner art. In that page, you'll notice the information related with the YouTube banner art, like a dimension, size, and accepted type that allows YouTube as a banners. Now, let's hover to the canva.com. I'll be using the free version for everything that I show in this video. There is also a paid version which has more advantage. If you want to purchase the paid version of the Canva, click the link in the description box below. For this video, we are sticking with the free version. What we'll do next is head over to the search box and search for YouTube banner art. You will see it pop up right here in the result and just click on it. You can also get more specific like aesthetic YouTube channel art or music channel art or gaming channel art to find design tailored to your content. But for now, let's stick with YouTube banner art. This will give us a perfect dimension and size verified by YouTube as a channel art and making it super easy for us. We don't need to worry about any technical stuff. Just click on any of these design templates and they will be compatible when you upload to the YouTube. At the top of the search result, you will see a filter options. Click on the price filter and click on free options to narrow down the search result that won't cost you at all. You can start from scratch by clicking on start from blank in the top left corner. These options will also give you the correct dimensions. But for this video, we are going to use the templates. Now take a look at these templates here. Even with the free options, they are pretty cool. You can scroll down to check out more options. If you already have a photos that you want to utilize as a banner art, you can use those one as well. You can upload that photo and start adding the text. But for me, I'm going to browse here and find something that fits my channel, which is all about the tips and tricks on YouTube and content creation. Once you find something you like, the great thing is you can customize it, you can add the text, you can upload new photos, you can make it all yours. Once I find something that I like, I will click on this and it will redirect me to the page where we can edit everything. I really like the blue color as a background color that goes with my channel branding. I'll type my channel name here so people knows that it's my channel, that is PerspecTube. Now I want to change the main font style, which I can do by clicking on the fonts on the top, which will provide the list of the font options. I like this one because it resembles the YouTube font style as well, so I'll go with this one. Now let's adjust the letter spacing, which you can increase or decrease, or you can choose the font style or font size from here. I would like to change the text effect as well. On the top bar, click on the text effect. It will present you list of options which you can play around with it. I'll be selecting this one and I need to adjust the spacing again. Now this looks better. Adjust the text in the middle of the page. If you select it, you will see the horizontal and vertical line like this. In Canva, you can do a lot of cool stuff even in a free version. Let me edit this text as a subtext, which will be maybe something cool like let's grow together. I'll customize the text size and text style until I'm happy with it. Make it like this. For this, I'll keep the default font style, but I'll adjust the letter spacing so that it will match the length of the header text. I want to use the YouTube icon instead of gaming console over here. I have downloaded the PNG YouTube icon. I'll put the link in the description box below as well. You can use yours own. Just make sure that you are using the free icons so that it will not have a copyright issue later on. I'll upload it here and then I'll customize the size and I'll set the YouTube play on the background like this. This looks good already. That's it, it's super easy and free. Once I'm done, I'll download it by clicking on the download button, by clicking on the right hand icon and then press the download button. I'll let the default setting as it is for download. So it is downloading now and it will ask you for the save options. You can save it to wherever you like, but I'll save it on my current working folder. Now if you haven't made the YouTube profile picture yet, you are missing a lot. I have made the separate video, which I'll put the link in the description box below. It will guide you through the step-by-step process using Canva free version. So once you have downloaded your awesome channel art, let's head over to the YouTube studio to get it up and run. If you want to find out the size and the dimension, just right click on the picture and go to the properties and then click on the details. There you can check out the dimension and size to ensure it's just right for the YouTube. Alright, so you have got your banner all set it up. Now let's get it uploaded. Click on the upload button once you're satisfied with the design. Navigate to the location where you have downloaded the banner. Select the banner. YouTube will show you the preview how it looks on the small and large screen. Since we have followed the template, the banner should exactly fit the YouTube dimension. Click on done once you are satisfied with the adjustment. If you want to make further changes or update the channel art, then you can click on the change button. Hit on the publish button to make your changes live. Upon completion, a small pop-up will appear confirming that your changes are live. Sometimes the banner art not display immediately after the change. If it happens, just simply refresh the page to see the changes. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for the more helpful takes in the next one. Until then, stay creative.